Spittle. Pêl o beithio, mae Venables i fyny amdani. Efo plat yma Robles. Yr ergyd am yr gwiriad a mi oedd Henry Jones i fewn yna. Arbediad campus gan Dave Roberts. Mi oedd o'n effro a mi oedd angen iddo fo fod.
Wel, ti'n gwybod be, mae hwnna'n gyfle da i Henry Jones. Mae'n gweld ti yn hwyr iawn. Ond ti yn disgwyl o sgorio, dwt.
Roberts a mynydd o geigrydd. O, mae'na gyfle fan Henry George Piers. Mor agos. Y peniad ymlaen gan Liam Williams. Ac yna Piers sgoriodd chwip o gol y penwythnos dwytha yn ebyn Pen y Bont. Mor agos. Smith, Jones, Smith! Hwnna'n heiddi gol. Falle bod yna gol dal i fod. A blaen troed Dave Roberts yn nadu Sean Smith rhag roi'r bal ar y blaen. Hammer. Chwiwch ar hwnna'n crymanu. Yna gam sefyll. Mi oedd Martin Roberts y dyfanwr cynorthwyol ar yr achor gosa. Mi oedd i lim yno i fyny'n syth bin.
Mi oedd hi, ond dwi'n meddwl na Andy Owens, oedd dwi'n meddwl Christian Platz oedd o.
Bale hir ymlaen y peniad allan gan Anthony Stevens, pryn da ni di enwi fo. Yn y cefn, strong. Y Bale edrych am Owens! Andy Owens!
Rai fo sgorio. Mae o'n cwyno po Sean Smith i reid i fraich i fyny i wrthio fo, just pan oedd o'n mynd i benio'r Bale. Strong, posti bella. Mae o wedi cael gada. Mae o wedi i'w dycio i ben.
Digon biwiog, digon cyffroes, dim golia. Ond dim diffyg cyfleoedd yn arbennig i Andy Owens. Yna gyfle fan hyn i Piers! Arbediad campus gan Tippett. Cyfle clir i'r ymwelwyr yn disgyn i George Piers.
So wedi mynd lawr yma nes gico'r spot.
So gen y dyfa nhw benderfyniad i wneud yn bysa.
Mae o'n chwaraewr ifanc, naif i raddau illa, i beidio mynd lawr oherwydd o'na gysylltiad yna.
Venables, os a gyfle fan hyn, Venables, hanner cyfle mae angen, mae dal yna i Venables. Hart ar cliriad.
Ydy o'n dal o, yn dimau os di. Mae'n ei dynnu fo nôl, a mae'r dyfa nhw mae'n 10 llath i ffwrdd.
Ac os ai at yr hanner munud ola. Matthew Sargent. Dyma Hooper, yr eile. Dyna'r cyfle i Brady McGilloway. Yn hwyr. Bron i'r eilyddion gyfuno i ddwyn y pwyntiau Airbus.
Ti jyst isio anwesu, jyst yw gwsyn bach a sa'i gef drosodd.
Venables. Do'na ddim trosedd. Chwarae'n parhau, Smith yn ôl i fewn at Venables. Chris Venables yn dal i fynd! Mae dal yna ar cliriad allan i rwla. Nôl y dawri at Kieran Smith, Andrew Burns, oes na ormod ar hwnna. Nag oes wir yn ôl i mewn y dawr, Cwr Cosby. Mae dal yna Kieran Smith sydd yna! Mae Venables wedi dwyni! Da ni di chwarae eiliadau dros yr amser ychwanegol. Mor greulon ar Airbus. Mae chwaraewyr nhw i lawr yn y cwrt ar ei hyd. Chris Venables, prif sgoriwr uwch gyngrau'r Cymru i drydydd gol ar 10 y tymor hon. Well, Colin, you got out of jail there.
Yeah, but we kept going. We didn't play well tonight, but I kept on to the back four throughout the second half. That if we keep a clean sheet, I always fancied us to get a chance, and we did. And it doesn't matter when you score, but we were always pushing, and I felt a ball had dropped to us, and it did to Chris. He's a predator in them areas, and he's finished it.
We've certainly played better this season, and things didn't quite perhaps go our way tonight. But like Cole's already said, if you keep clean sheets, chances will come during a game, and it's just about taking one. And there's times probably last season, even maybe at the start of this season, we wouldn't come out with 3 points there, so it's positive for us.
So you got that belief to keep on going right to the very, very last second, and it was the very last second tonight.
Yeah, it was late on. No, yeah, we've always got that belief. We are creating chances, and we've taken a lot of chances this year. And like I say, as long as there's time left in the game, there's always a chance to score.
Steve, it's a cruel old game.
Yeah, I thought the lads were magnificent. I thought effort-wise, couldn't fault them, 100% effort tonight. Last 2 games got done. Well, tonight injury time, and last week was 2 minutes from the end. So gutted, but we keep going.
Well, I just think we all worked hard as a team together, and obviously just disappointed at the end.